Well, what I want to talk to you about today is a big option that a lot of people and a lot of companies have available to them, and they're just not exactly aware of it. What I want to talk to you about is actually utilizing Power BI Premium capacity within workspaces without actually having to have Power BI Premium. Yes, this is actually possible. What you could actually do is utilize Power BI Embedded, even if you have a Pro license, and activate your Power BI workspace with premium capacity. Now there's some different pros and cons to this, and it's definitely not free. It does charge you. But if you want premium capacity for one specific workspace and don't care about any of your other workspaces, this is going to be insanely cheaper than buying Power BI Premium all in itself just to activate this workspace. You can do as many workspaces as you want, obviously with Power BI Embedded, but as you must probably know, that Power BI Embedded is actually, pay per use. So the more you use it, the more your fees are, right? That's Power BI Embedded in a nutshell. But like I said, you can utilize this Power BI Embedded to activate a Power BI Premium capacity on specific workspaces. This is a really awesome feature. Like I said, there are some pros and there are some cons to it. I will be releasing a blog coming up soon, so make sure you follow me on Twitter. So if you know when my blog gets released, my Twitter is @BackToSQL. So make sure you follow me there, and I'll go into more depth. See you then.